or where America goes for funding, give us a call or text my office 832-431-6331, or you can click on the links down below to get signed up for enrollment. Every week we come out to give you new updates, what's going on in real estate, the market, economy. We're a direct nationwide lender and broker for the last 22 years, guys. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you're looking to get funding for commercial, residential, private lending. We're here. We're your source, your hub for finance. So please don't hesitate to reach out. Today we're talking about a new Texas law that just rolled out that will help speed up the faster eviction process to get rid of squatters from your property. So this is a big issue right now for real estate investors. After whether you own the property and you're leasing it out with short-term or long-term rentals, sometimes you have issues with squatters, or if you made a loan to somebody and you've had to foreclose on them to get them out of the property, sometimes can be extremely difficult. And in some states like California, for example, people can live in the house for years and you have to take them to court and fight it, especially in a judicial state. Texas is a non-judicial state, so that does help, but still, people can, try to fight this thing as long as they want, depending if they have the right legal system, court system, to ride it out. Now, this new law that Texas has rolled out, it's effective 2026. It says that the county has 10 days to respond to kick those squatters out, get them out of the property. So obviously, if you've been foreclosed on and you haven't made your payments and you haven't filed a bankruptcy, you haven't filed a TRO, then that lender that's foreclosed on the property, they're going to kick you out of the property and they're going to take you to court. And the judge is going to rule in the lender's favor, and you have 10 days, for the court to respond and to give you direction on how when you have to vacate the property. And if you don't vacate the property, then you'll be removed by law enforcement. And so I'll put the link in the description down below. The thing is that I know that it sounds harsh, but the other side of it is that you have to think about it from the investor standpoint. The person that made that loan to you, they're losing money because interest doesn't stop calculating every single day, and they might not be in a position to be able to float you, to be able to cover the cost of that house, that property, the property taxes, the insurance, the maintenance. So the best thing that you can do as a responsible person is to vacate the property, go somewhere else, and let them try to find someone else that can take over that property, or contact that lender and see if you work something out, or try to get a loan somewhere else. We do foreclosure bailouts. We help people to get out of foreclosure and bankruptcy. So there's still a way to get out of it. I'm just saying that I'm not surprised that this has happened. I think this is going to happen more and more in the future with other states. Texas is one of the, obviously a non-judicial state, meaning that they're pro-lender. They're trying to be more assertive with the foreclosure process. I think some counties, they have up to 21 days. I'll put the link down below in the description. You can read it. But I think it's a great thing, in my opinion, because obviously, if you're not paying your bills, then it's not the lender's responsibility to make the payment for you and let you live in the property free. It's just not how the world works. And I know, and obviously, you and I didn't create this world and the way it works with laws, rules, currency, all these different things. I'm not saying I agree with all of that, how it's set up. Well, we just have to abide by it the best that we can. Obviously, in other countries, it's completely different. And so you just got to do the best that you can. And obviously, we're here to help you. And you might be in a situation where you're about to get foreclosed on. We can help you to get out of that foreclosure and refinance to a different lender so they don't take your property, because that can happen. So we have a foreclosure and bankruptcy bailouts. We do private lending, asset-based, no documentation. So if we can help you with that, obviously don't be a stranger. Reach out to us. We'd like to see what we can do to help you with that type of loan if you're in that situation. And we offer that nationwide too. So let me know what we can do to help. Give us a call. Text me 832-431-6331. And also, if you wanted to enroll, you can click on the links down below to get signed up for enrollment. There's no cost for enrollment. There's no contract. There's no hard credit check. There's no fees to get started. Or you just click on that link to get started if you want, or you can call or text our office. We're open 7 days a week, 832-431-6331. And also, don't forget about our loan partnership program. If you want to join our loan partnership, you want to get paid for your referrals, reach out to us. We can hook you up with our loan partnership. Don't forget about our Amazon loyalty program. If you will go to Angelo Christian Mortgage on Google, give us a 5-star review, we'll hook you up with that Amazon gift card. And also our real estate university. If you want to learn more about our real estate university, to join that, to become a top producer and top closer, all the links are down below. We have a special for January 2026. It's only $49 a month. It's usually $200 a month, so it's $150 a month savings. So that's a great program. If you want to get your career in real estate, this is an awesome time to do that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the show with Angelo Christian. If we can help with anything else, take care and peace out. Give us a call, text my office, 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding. Thank you.